Unprecedented floods are tragically becoming more frequent. Do you want to risk being unprepared and find yourself praying for sandbags? Really? Typical doors and low-level windows let floods in. As a more affordable and discreet alternative to flood barriers and sandbags, we at All Ups developed a system to better seal a typical robust outside door against floodwater pressure. The Pitt Review told government, after assessing what could have been done better during the devastating 2007 floods, sandbags are ineffective when used by households and should be replaced with new technology. Floodlock Flood Traps help you reduce flood damage so you can return to normal that much sooner. Results from an independent simulated flood test and from the field were reported as outstanding. Instead of 10 filled sandbags, for a fraction of the delivered cost and weight, you can buy and store a compact pack of Floodlock Flood Traps. In less than a minute, pretty much anyone can position the flood trap and close the door to secure it in place. For best protection against sea and other saltwater floods, first fold the lengths in half and wet them as shown. Then trap the dry half between the door or window and its frame as usual. While wet, swollen, and in position, flood traps remain effective as high as they go up the door, about half a metre or 20 inches, plus any doorsteps, unable to be swept away with the tide to create a problem further downstream. After the contaminated floodwater drains, the door can be opened and traps collected as household waste. Floodlock Flood Traps, the sensible, effective, store in a drawer, ever-ready product everyone can quickly use whenever concerned of a possible flood.